These 27 are quietly making people rich in 2025. And you've probably never heard of them. From small garages to backyard businesses, they turn everyday people into full-time entrepreneurs. Which one could be your million-dollar idea? Let's break it down. Only on the money chapter. Powder packaging machine. These compact machines are silently powering small businesses from behind the scenes. And this one is a star. The Money Fanlock automatic dispenser precisely packages dry powders like flour, coffee, and spices, measuring as little as 1 gram with razor-sharp 0.3 gram accuracy. It plugs into any standard 110-volt socket and costs just $138 on Amazon, with a $1 profit per pack, selling only 138 units covers the cost. At just 50 packs per day, your payback time is under 3 days. This makes it a smart choice for anyone starting a food or supplement packaging business with low capital and quick returns. Automatic Roti maker. Turn tradition into profit with this 18,800 watt electric roti machine that's redefining home-based food businesses. From chapatis to pizza bases, it delivers uniform results with its non-stick surface and thermostat controlled heating. Costing just $288, bulk, or $459 single unit from Alibaba, it's a solid deal. At 23 cents cost per roti and a resale pack of 10 at $2.30, selling just 2,000 rotis pays off your investment. With a daily production of 100 units, you break even in 20 days. A practical solution for small kitchens and fast-scaling food startups. Coin pressing machine. If you've ever wanted to turn metal into money, literally, this one's for you. The superb Melts automatic coin press prints logos, text, and images on coins made of silver, gold, or copper. With up to 10 impressions per minute and capacity for 3,000 blanks, it's a factory in a box. A single silver coin can bring in $7 profit, meaning 4,800 coins per day equals $33,600 in daily revenue. Available directly from manufacturers, it's ideal for jewelry, collectibles, and custom gift businesses. Automatic Shoe Sole Cleaner ESM4. This machine doesn't just clean shoes, it protects entire facilities. The ESM4 automatic shoe sole cleaner uses high pressure water and brushes to scrub away dirt and microbes in seconds. No buttons needed, just walk on and it activates automatically. With the ability to handle 1,000 users per shift, it's a sanitation powerhouse for food factories, medical labs, and clean rooms. It dramatically cuts cleaning costs while boosting hygiene, making it a no-brainer for industries that require spotless standards. Mirror Mosaic Tile Cutter. This isn't just a cutter, it's a full-fledged production line for custom interior design. The Mirror Mosaic Tile Cutter automatically slices, polishes, and prepares mirror tiles of various sizes. Perfect for artists, furniture makers, and decorators. It turns mirror sheets into high-end, profitable decor. By automating both cutting and finishing, it saves hours of labor while increasing product quality. A top-tier tool for scaling up mosaic production. Concerto 5 Professional Pasta Machine. Give any restaurant the power to make pasta like a Michelin star chef. The Sermon Concerto 5 is a heavy-duty machine built for cafes, bistros, and large-scale food services. It delivers fresh, authentic pasta, reliably and in volume, while being simple enough for staff to operate. Known for its durability and smooth workflow, this machine is a staple in kitchens that value fresh ingredients and high profit margins. If you're looking to level up your pasta game and stand out, this is your tool. Automatic Napkin Packing Machine. Soon True ZB300HG. What if one machine could pump out 150 napkin packs per minute and cut your labor in half? The Soon True ZB300HG does just that. With touchscreen controls, servo motors, and support for multiple sizes, it's built for efficiency. It works with shrink film or BOP and is ideal for high volume producers. Priced between $10,000 to $30,000, it may sound steep, but with a 10-cent to 20-cent profit per pack, producing 10,000 packs daily means you're looking at $1,000 to $2,000 per day. $2,000 per day in revenue. That's a payback window of just 1 to 3 months. Lightning fast for industrial grade equipment. Automatic oil press machine, 1,500 watts. Pure oil made fresh on demand. No additives, no chemicals. This 1,500 watt stainless steel oil press extracts oil from peanuts, sesame, sunflower seeds, and more at 6 kilograms per hour. You get 2.4 liters per hour, which means up to 19.2 liters per day at just $229 on Amazon and a selling price of $10 per liter. It can earn $192 daily, recovering its cost in just 2 to 3 days. Whether you're a health-focused entrepreneur or want to dominate your local farmer's market, this machine pays you back almost instantly. Waffle on a stick maker. Take a basic dessert and turn it into an Instagrammable business. This waffle on a stick machine cooks up to 10 filled waffles per batch in just 3 to 5 minutes. Great for cafes, food trucks, and mall kiosks. It delivers consistent results with fast heating, 1,500 to 3,000 watts. Its novelty factor draws attention, while its flavor keeps customers coming back. Low cost, fast prep, and huge visual appeal, that's a winning recipe in any competitive food space. Manual powder coating system, HJO Typhon. Outsource no more. This compact manual powder coating machine gives small businesses total control over finish quality. With even application across surfaces, it adds a professional touch to metal, plastic, and more. Durable and simple to use, it's priced at $5,610, with discounts available at higher quantities. For example, $4,798 if you buy 50 plus units. Cutting outsourcing costs and leveling up product aesthetics. This machine pays for itself fast, making it ideal for startups in hardware, decor, or manufacturing. Typhon Terror X Mini Excavator. Big projects, tiny spaces. This Typhon Terror X Mini Excavator is your all-in-one solution. With a 13.5 horsepower EPA certified engine, it can dig, drill, level, and grab. Perfect for farms, gardens, or tight construction sites. It competes with pro-grade gear, but only costs $8,500 to $9,000. Compared to renting at $200 per day, it pays off in just 43 to 45 days of use. Durable, versatile, and surprisingly compact. It's a beast in a small frame, built for pros on a budget. Vivore Commercial Ice Cream Maker. Who wouldn't want to make up to 28 liters of ice cream per hour with just the push of a button? The Vivore Commercial Ice Cream Maker is built for high-volume dessert businesses. With 2x6 liter stainless steel containers, a 2,200 watt compressor, and an LCD panel, it's easy to use and clean. Priced at $1,199 on Amazon, you can earn $2 profit per serving. Just 50 sales a day repays the investment in 12 days. This is the kind of machine that builds long queues and fat profit margins. Vivore Portable Ice Maker. Whether it's a home event, office party, or food stall, this Vivore Portable Ice Maker is the silent MVP. It pumps out up to 70 pounds, 31.75 kilograms, of ice daily, with a fresh batch ready every 8 to 15 minutes. Using just 350 watts, it's energy efficient and hygienic thanks to automatic cleaning. Priced around $190, it replaces expensive packaged ice, potentially paying for itself in just a few months. Perfect for small businesses and frequent hosts who want a steady, clean ice supply without the daily hassle. Power bank rental kiosk. This machine doesn't just charge phones, it charges profits. The power bank rental station is a self-service terminal ideal for malls, cafes, airports, and any high footfall area. Users pay to borrow a power bank and return it anywhere in the network. With low maintenance, recurring revenue, and scalability, this is a true passive income model. Place just a few in the right spots and you're building an automated income stream without lifting a finger. Manual chalk making machine. Old school product, new age profits. This manual chalk making machine produces 4,000 to 8,000 pieces per hour. No special skills needed. Priced at just $680, and with chalk packs selling at 55 cents for 12, you can generate $275 in revenue in just 2.5 hours. It's built from solid metal for durability and is perfect for home-based or rural businesses. Quick ROI, easy setup, and high output. A solid startup idea for education supplies or art materials. Tato TRF 3000 Metal Melting Furnace. Turn scrap into silver with the Tato TRF 3000 Melting Furnace. This 1,800 watt electric furnace hits over 1,150 degrees Celsius, 2,102 degrees Fahrenheit, and melts gold, silver, copper, and aluminum in under 40 minutes. It comes ready to go with 1 kilogram and 3 kilogram crucibles, plus an ingot mold, priced at just $299.99. Melting 3 kilograms of silver per day with a 50-cent profit per gram earns you $1,500 per month, meaning it pays for itself in about 30 days. Perfect for jewelers, recyclers, or small refiners. ATC CNC Nesting Machine. This beast cuts through wood, plastic, and furniture panels like butter. The ATC CNC Nesting Machine features a 9 kilowatt spindle, automatic tool changer, and vacuum table for precision processing. With a 1300 by 2500 millimeter work area and intuitive software, even beginners can handle complex cuts with ease. It's priced between $12,000 to $18,000, but with a $50 profit per cabinet front, you need just 360 units to break even. At 10 units a day, you cover costs in 36 working days. Faster with bulk orders. It's a serious tool for serious manufacturers looking to cut costs and grow margins. Commercial automatic coffee machine. Speed, consistency, and serious returns, all in one. The commercial automatic coffee machine is ideal for high traffic venues like offices, cafes, hotels, and retail shops. It requires almost no staff training, can crank out up to 500 cups per day, and costs between $1,200 and $5,000. At $2 profit per cup, you're looking at up to $10,000 per month in revenue, making it a favorite among hands-off, high-return business setups. Automatic key cutting machine. Copy keys, cut time, and cash in. This automatic key cutting machine is made for speed and precision, replicating keys for homes, cars, safes, and more with digital control. It's perfect for service kiosks, hardware shops, and mobile locksmiths looking to offer fast automated service. Minimal training, high throughput, and growing demand make this a practical and high margin tool in the right hands. Scrubber making machine. This machine turns steel or plastic wire into cash fast. The scrubber making machine forms metal or plastic spirals, cuts, assembles, and packages cleaning pads all on autopilot. Top tier models pump out up to 12 kilograms of scrubbers per hour, minimizing labor while maximizing output. A smart fit for wholesale distributors, household product manufacturers, or anyone eyeing the cleaning supply market. Salsa 2 photo booth. Events are temporary, but photos, they're forever, and they sell. The Salsa 2 photo booth sets up in under 5 minutes, uses an iPad, and features built-in LED lighting. It shoots photos, GIFs, boomerangs, and videos, all instantly shareable via social media, thanks to Fiesta Pro software. Lightweight, stylish, and made for mobility, it's a hit at weddings, corporate parties, and pop-ups. An ideal entry point for anyone starting an event-based side hustle with fast returns and viral exposure. AI Root AI coffee machine. This is more than coffee, it's smart service. The AI Root automatic coffee machine uses AI to customize drinks based on customer preferences. With 20 plus coffee recipes, a touchscreen interface, and self-cleaning capabilities, it's perfect for cafes, hotels, and business lounges. Working around the clock with minimal staff involvement, this machine brings tech-driven luxury to any coffee corner and profits with every cup. Animal feed production machine. Feed animals, grow profits. The animal feed production machine turns grains, supplements, and vitamins into nutritious feed for pets, livestock, or fish. It grinds, mixes, extrudes, and pelletizes, all in one smooth workflow. Great for farms, pet food startups, or feed wholesalers. This machine allows full control over ingredients, cuts production costs, and boosts output with consistent quality. One machine. Endless feed formulas. Aluminum container machine. Make what every restaurant needs. Disposable trays. The aluminum container machine produces food-grade aluminum containers through pressing, cooling, and cutting in one seamless process. Costs range from $9,980 to $90,000, depending on speed and automation. Semi-automatic models are great for local suppliers, while full-scale lines serve industrial producers. With the rise in food delivery and takeout, this machine delivers on both demand and ROI. Sponge making machine. Scrub away costs and watch the revenue rise. The sponge making machine handles the entire production flow, from raw material mixing and foaming to molding and cutting. Machines range from $3,000 to $50,000 depending on how automated you want it. Perfect for scaling up cleaning product lines, reducing waste, and producing at a fraction of the usual cost. It's a manufacturing upgrade that pays off with every sponge sold. Automatic popcorn packaging machine. Snacks sell, and this machine makes them sell faster. The automatic popcorn packaging machine seals fresh popcorn into retail-ready bags at 30 to 60 bags per minute. Great for cinemas, event vendors, or snack brands. It's compact and easy to operate. Costing around $1,500 to $6,000, it can pay for itself in just a few busy weekends. It's the fastest way to go from popcorn to profit, one bag at a time.